Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the eyes in a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture that has a face, and after that press on face down below. Now press on eyes and you can just edit the tilt of the eyes. You can swipe to the left or to the right, the size of the eyes, and these are the two options for free. If you want to use the other options, you need the premium version of the app, and you can also manage then the width, the height, and the distance of the eyes as well. Now this picture is not the best example of a face to be honest, as you can see, but in the case of distance you can see that there is a difference if I swipe to the left or to the right. And if you have a more okay picture with a clear person on it, then you will be able to see the differences way better. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.